In today's fast-paced business world, teams struggle to digitize process quickly without relying heavily on developers. Hello everyone, welcome to BIvara. Today I'll show you how to build a fully working app in just a few minutes, even with zero coding skills. Whether you are a business user or team lead, Power Apps helps you to create a mobile-friendly apps faster. We are building a sales tracking app step by step. In many companies, sales and operations are still tracked using Excel or manual entries. This causes delays, confusions, and missed opportunities. So, how do we fix this quickly with minimal effort? Power App is the answer. Let's build the sales app. Step 1. Open Power Apps in your browser. Go to Home, select Create. So there are two options available. We can go with either of options. Here we are going to choose Start with Data. We will upload a simple sample Excel file with date-wise transactions. Choose the file. We are uploading it. Once the file is uploaded, make sure your Excel table is properly formatted. Here I am changing the name of the table. BIvara sales data. Our app picks region as the primary field by default. Click Save. Our data includes date, region, salesperson, products, units sold, price, and total sales. Select Create App. It loads in a few seconds. And now we are in Power App Studio. You can preview by selecting Preview option. I'm closing here. You can preview the app. On the left, you will see the tree view showing all the components. The middle section is the canvas. Let's change the title by selecting the edit properties. Here, by default, our app consumes the data based on our uploaded file. Here, we can manually edit the title of the application. And by choosing these properties, I am customizing little more options like font alignments and little more adjustments in size and colors. And once done, you can explore each component easily through the tree view in the left side. Now the app is ready and we can verify the data matches the Excel source. Here I made a little bit adjustments in the colorings and the entire layout. We'll switch the color to black. Clicking the play button. So our app is ready. Okay, I'm opening the source. Why data verification needed? To make sure the app data is accurate, complete and usable. So here we can check all the columns. Now we can select any one of the transaction and we can see the information of the transaction details. We can see the region name under the top of the title and what are all the products and what is the salesperson name, units, unit price and total sales. Like the way we can verify. Yes. Then now let's modify a record. Select a date using the calendar. We can also set the sales time. First, I'm selecting some recent days and choosing some random sales time. Why modification is needed? In order to up to date our data. Now our data is modified. Now let's try delete the records. We have an option to delete. Yeah, successfully deleted our records. Now let's try adding a new records. Adding a new sales record. We need to fill all the fields. Here I have chosen the calendar and product information and which region and name of the salesperson. And I'm putting the salesperson name as Mr.vi. Sales value, unit price and total sales. Click the check mark in the top right side. Your new entry shows up instantly. Wow. You can see our added record. Why such feature? So when we are managing hundreds of sales records, search saves time. Just type a keyword. We can search our letters instantly. Here we can try few more search. What if I type a letter like BI? So it shows my salesperson name and wherever the BI word contains available in all the sentences. And matching items appear instantly. Let's switch to phone layout to see the mobile view. That's it. Here also we can do lot of changes like editing and deleting and preview our records. That's it. Your sales app is live in minutes. What feature do you want to add next? Dashboard, charts or approval flow? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Power Apps tips. Thank you very much for watching.